QuickBooks automatically matches bank feed transactions to transactions you recorded while using QuickBooks Payments to process a payment from a customer, or QuickBooks Payroll to pay your employees. This prevents you from entering the same transaction more than once. Let's look at automatic matching and see how it affects the work you do in QuickBooks. From Bank Transactions, select the Posted tab. Any transaction that is labeled Auto has been automatically matched. Select a transaction to see details. Select Undo to send the transaction back to pending if anything looks wrong. If you're looking for a match that QuickBooks didn't automatically suggest, select the transaction and then select Find Match, or toggle a transaction from Categories to Match. Then select the matching transaction and select Match. You can also filter your list of categorized transactions so that you only see transactions that QuickBooks automatically matched. Select the Filters drop-down and select Auto Post Match. Now you're ready to use automatic matching in QuickBooks.